Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The English Speaker. Friends, as you all requested for make an English vlog, so I decided to make an English vlog video. And in this video, I will tell you what I usually do in my daily life, and I will also show you my house and my village properly. And now it's 7 o'clock in the morning, and as you can see, I'm in my room right now, and I'm shooting this vlog video. And now I'm going to downstairs, and I will show you what's exactly happening in my house. So let's go. Actually, my room is on the rooftop, so now I'm going downstairs. As you can see, these are the stairs of my house. This is the courtyard of my house. As you can see, there are a lot of wooden pieces lying here because some furniture work is going on in my house these days. I'm also getting a wardrobe and some other things made for my room. He is the carpenter and he is working on the furniture at the moment. Suddenly my brother asked me to drop my niece to her school, so I left on my bike to take her to school. Actually, her school is very close to our house, so it did not take much time to take her there. After dropping my niece at school, I came back home. After sitting for some time, I started feeling a bit bored. Then I thought, why not go to the park? Because today the weather is also very nice. So I left for the park. The park is not very far from our house, so it didn't take me much time to reach there. And as soon as I reached the park, I felt really good after seeing the view there. The whole park was almost empty. There were only 1 or 2 people because it is winter, not many people come here. And today there is fog all around. Actually, our village park usually remains almost empty and very few people come here. So friends, as you can see, I'm in the park right now, and the park is almost empty and there are not many people here, and there is greenery all around, and this whole area is covered with fog, you can see. And the weather is so pleasant today and it feels quite peaceful. And this is my village park, and its name is Chacha Nehru Park because there is a statue, you can see. There is a statue of Chacha Nehru, that's why its name is Chacha Nehru Park, you can see clearly. And I have been coming here since my childhood. After walking in the park for some time, I came out. I was feeling hungry, so I ordered a sandwich from a nearby street cart. After eating the sandwich, I felt really good because the brother made a very tasty sandwich. After that, I left for my home. So friends, right now I'm at my home and I'm getting ready to go to my institute. As you know, I'm a teacher, so I'm going there to teach my students. Later I picked my niece from school and brought her pani puri. So friends, now it's 10 PM and I'm going to have my dinner, and after that I will go to sleep. So this was my small vlog for today. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from it. Now it's time to say goodbye, good night, and see you in the next video.